Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the Euro Yen, I still think is going to go up and at least make a double top. Now, it could possibly be like a wave 5, and if it is like a wave 5, it might just grab the liquidity from this high and then turn down, break structure, confirming that we're in a bigger move to the downside. And because we're looking at this as possibly ending a wave B on the weekly, there definitely is a possibility that this is how it plays out. And obviously, there's a big gap down here that hasn't been filled yet either. The problem is when the monthly, the weekly, the daily is all in an uptrend, and you start thinking that it's going to go counter trend. Oftentimes, what happens is it just keeps on trending. The trend is your friend until the trend is proven to be over. And I think that if it does decide to be a wave 5, we'll know it's a wave 5 by seeing a big engulfing move to the downside. And then, come Monday, we can just start looking for pullback entries to go short if that is the case. For now, I definitely am still very bullish, and I'm definitely still looking for logs in an uptrend. Hasn't been that many big pullbacks, but we're beyond the 78% Fibonacci retracement on this move down. Makes me think even more that even if it does go down, it's probably just a pullback within an uptrend. So I definitely am still only looking for logs. I'm still only recommending logs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.